Hey folks, Bad Mark here, doing a quick unboxing video. I do apologize, my 3D printer is going on in the background, so um, it's going to be a little bit noisy, but I think we'll be able to handle it. I just wanted to do a real quick unboxing of this. Redragon just released, I think it's 3 or 4 in this new series. They have different names, but this one is the K631. Um, Basically, Redragon has moved away from the 2-pin Otemu or 3-pin Otemu hot swap sockets to real hot swap sockets. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this board, of the features and everything. I did get it on sale on Amazon, but they do have new versions of both the. Let me see. They have got a 75% that's really weird. Doesn't have a function row, but it has a numpad. And they also have a 60%. But I ended up getting their 65 version, which is the 631, I believe. So here's the board. It's extremely light, but it is a Redragon board, so what can we expect? But I'm interested in the hot swap capabilities of this. But let's take a look just real quick what else we have in the box. Of course, we've got a Redragon sticker. They usually do come with these. I actually have a couple of these because I have turned some Redragons into some nice boards. Actually, we have a bag with both the old school switch puller and a good key puller, metal key puller. We have the instructions, which we'll take a look at here in a second to see about those backlights, and then we have a box of mechanical gaming switches. So looks like this is what, just a pack of spare switches. These are packed with reds, so I'm gonna guess, yep, some spare reds that we can use. And let me just see, I'm gonna guess these are Redragon. Yep, they are branded Redragon. I don't know if you guys can see it, if it'll focus in. No, it doesn't want to focus. It should. It should. Come on. It's supposed to be a good camera. There we go. Oh, well, there, it's upside down, so. But, you know, they're reds. They're nothing special. Obviously, they could use from some lubing. This board was bought intentionally to modify. I already know exactly all the modifications I'll be doing to this. So, and it comes with a USB. Oh, hey! It is a USB-C cable with the angle. Thank you. See too many keyboards with the port on the side, as this one does. This one has the port on the side and actually has a light. I guess a power light. This is the wired version. I do believe they have a wireless version of it, but don't quote me on that. I'm not sure. But this is actually nice that it has the C to C, because a lot of the laptops now have the C port. But if you don't have the C port, then you could just plug in the USB-A dongle, and it's connected by a nice little dongle tag cord, whatever, to, you know, so you can move it out of the way if you don't need it. Looks like you can slide it down and out of the way, but if you do need it, it's right here. Push it down, you're good to go. So that's actually pretty cool. This board, I think, was, I want to say it was on sale for $40. It was pretty cheap, basically. So now, let's take a look at the features real quick, and then take a look at the included hardware. So I'm just going to plug her in real quick. I just want to take a look. I mean, I know I'm not the biggest, I'm not crazy about RGB. I usually just pick a color that matches the keycap set. I go with that. But I know a lot of people do, so let's go ahead and take a look at the RGB. And I believe we have here, obviously it's doing the rainbow effect. Let me bring my lights down so we can actually see these a little bit better. A little easier to see the color. There we go. Yeah. All right. So here. Oh, sorry about that. goes down. Alright, now. Alright, so then to adjust the brightness and to adjust the speed. It actually does have the legends on here for that. I wasn't paying attention. Function tab is supposed to do a... Oh, that doesn't seem to work. And yeah, I'm guessing that light... Oh, that's a caps lock. I was wondering. That's a Capstock indicator. It's kind of a strange spot to put a caps light indicator, because I mean, who's going to look on the side of your keyboard? And it's not like you can see it looking from up top. I mean, you literally have to tilt it because it's at an angle down. So that's kind of silly, but whatever. I mean, at least there's an indicator. Oh, these are to adjust the lighting speed. And this one, let's see. Alright, yeah. So once you got it in where all of them are just in one color, then you can go, alright, there's the top brightness, and then you can go and select colors, and it has it's a pretty good, sorry. It's actually pretty decent lights. They shine through pretty good. The caps, I mean, I don't like the font. It's pretty big, but it's not bad. So, alright, let's take this apart. Let's take a look here at what we've got underneath. So, I've got the reds. Check out the stabilizers and the switch. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to go ahead and just use the standard switch puller over here. Alright, now it came out pretty easy, as we can see. Actually, probably now time to turn the lights back on, huh? Alright, so now we're bright. So see, you've got 5 feet, or you got 5 holes basically, and you've got the slots, which should work with the Kale switches anyway. Now, as far as the stabilizers go, of course I don't have pair of tweezers. Really gotta stop running my head into that, but I'll show you guys, these stabilizers are not very good, so I'm gonna holy mod these. I'm gonna do 2 different mods to this. I'm gonna see how good I can get this sounding with everything included. Just, you know, adding the mods to it, but not changing out the keys or the switches. And I'm gonna see how good I can get it sounded. Then I'm gonna take it to the next level. Probably paint the case or the plate, or something. Give it some sort of customization and fully outfit it. Find the best caps for it, find the best keys, and take it to the limit. But I'm going to see how it performs as well. But like I said, I wanted to do a quick unboxing. These just recently came out. Just want to, just for giggles, this is a crazy little switch that I made between a midnight jade and a box cream or in NK cream. Let's just make sure, because this one does. Oh, no, it does have the 5 legs. So we're just going to go ahead and see. Now look at that. That's the first time I thought I'd ever see a Kale switch inside a Redragon or Otemu board style keyboard. But that, I think it's pretty cool. So anyway, thanks for watching the unboxing. I will continue with the videos of the modification of this board and see where we can take it. Because I mean, for the price, I think it's a good base. I mean, I'm not going to say this is endgame material, but I think I definitely take it to a level where it will be plenty usable and sound nice and thocky. Keep calm, keyboard on.